Good Boy Andrew. Written by Narangi Naden, illustrated by Ian McNee. Good Boy Andrew. When Andrew came home, this is what he looked like. Mum said... Goodness, he's a bit messy, isn't he, Bill? Oh, Andrew, what a mess! Andrew went and washed his face. His mum said, oh, that's better, Andrew, but... He's not really clean yet, is he? Andrew went and changed his shirt. Mum said, that's better, Andrew, but... Andrew went and washed his hands and arms. Mum said, that's better, Andrew, but... Andrew went and changed his trousers. Mum said, that's better, Andrew, but... Look at those messy legs. Andrew went and washed his legs. Andrew changed his shoes and socks. Good boy, Andrew, Mum said. But, whoa, look at that mess that Andrew's left behind. Now, one of the cool things about this story is it has lots of these little marks. And those marks are called...
Exclamation mark.
That's an exclamation mark there, because that's why I go, but these marks are called speech marks or talking marks. So we know that it's Mum who is saying, but... And these three dots here are really cool too because they're called ellipses and they make us go dun dun dun, isn't it? But it's something exciting is coming. So obviously you know what sound we're doing? D, d, drum, d, 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 d. I like to play my drum, d, 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 d. I play it with my thumb. So that's where we take our hands and we make our thumbs into little drumsticks and we do, 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 do. Now let's see if we can get the music going. Excellent. Hello Tui, we are very lucky today in that we have a special guest writer and our special guest is Belle and she is going to help us to write the D sound. So she's going to start off and she's going to write it nice and big and then she's going to write it on the line. So are you ready, Belle?
Yeah.
Excellent. So come and stand here. So lean in and say hello. So lean in so everyone can see you. Say hello.
Hi.
Yep. Right, so let's start with the D here. So what do we start with? Oh, is that the right way?
No.
No, so let's rub that one out. Right, have another go. Good girl.
This way?
No.
This way?
Yes.
Around.
Up and
Down.
and make the sound.
This.
Right, so I want you to hold the pen again and I want you to have another go. So put your hand, so you, yep, so go around.
This way?
No, towards me.
This way?
Yeah.
Around. Up. And down.
And make the sound.
This.
Okay, can you do me another one, please?
Around. Up. And down. This.
Yeah, and maybe one up here.
Around, up, and down. D.
So what we've got is we've got a little bit of a hole, haven't we? So no, we can't go back and fill it in because that would be naughty. So what we're going to do is we're going to change pens, and I want you to do it again, but I'm going to show you where to start. So I want you to start there, and I want you to come around. Okay, so put your pen on the dot and come around, and then I want you to go back up to the dot, go through the dot, that's it, and then back down again. And make the sound?
D.
D. Right, so now we're going to try and do it on the line. So can I borrow the pen? So we're going to start here, and we're going to go around, and we're going to come all the way down to the bottom. Okay? So start on the dot. No, remember, hold your pen a little bit further up. Yep. So remember, you're pinching the pen, so you've got that correct pencil grip. So like that. Yep. No, not over. You're going to hold it like that. Yep. So on the dot. So you're going to stand back a little bit so everyone can see your hand, right? So go pen on the dot. So what do you start with? What do you say?
Around.
Yep, all the way down to the bottom, and then up to the dot, all the way through, all the way to the line. Keep going. No, you're going to keep going to the line, and then down. And make the sound.
D.
Yeah, it's still going. So do another one. So start by the purple dot. No, by the purple dot. So remember, we start by the purple dot. No, right, and we go around. So ready? Let's rub that bit out. Right, go. By the purple dot and go around.
Around.
Up to the line. Up. And then down. And make the sound.
D.
Right, I want you to have another go, but we don't want it hanging off the line, do we? So one more. Good girl. So where do we start? By the purple dots, yep. So
Around, up, and down.
And make the sound.
D.
Cool. Okay, so if you were paying attention, you would have again noticed that our sound is D. So we have some interesting little characters to share. So we have a D dog. This dog's name is actually Tracy. And then we have another D dog, and his name is Dog. We also have a D dice. What D can you find at home? So now we're going to do our heart words, and my wonderful assistant is going to stick them up. She is going to tell us what they are. Let's see if you can beat Belle and say them before she does. So put them up, and once you put them up, Belle, then you need to say what it is.
Eyes.
Well, I'll put them that way because otherwise people can't see on the screen. So they need to be able to see on the computer.
See. My